Hello and welcome to AALogics. The Zakat Tax and Customer Authority Zatca in Saudi Arabia has mandatory phase 2 integration phase of e-invoicing, requiring businesses to issue electronic invoices that are integrated with Zatca's Fatura platform for real-time validation. Achieve seamless Zatca phase 2 compliance with our Magento 2 extension. It automates e-invoicing, ensures real-time integration with Zatca, and support digital signatures and QR codes, ideally for businesses in Saudi Arabia. Our Magento 2 Zatca Phase 2 e-invoicing extension simplifies compliance with the latest requirements. Here's what it offers: real-time e-invoice generation according to Zatca standards, seamless integration with Zatca's Fatura system, QR code integration, and digital signature for anti-tampering protection. So, the first step is to install the extension. You have to purchase it from the shop and then install it. After installation, it needs to be configured. Now, enables or disables Zatca integration. Set to yes to activate e-invoicing feature. Here, you can fill up all the company details like your tax number and OTP provided by Zatca. When you purchase the extension, a user guide will be provided to help you fill in all the details. Now, environment defines the operational mode: sandbox for testing or production for live transactions. So there are the three types of configurations. One is sandbox environment configuration, like when you select the sandbox option, the details will be automatically filled in. If they are not filled, you can contact our support team and we will provide the necessary sandbox credentials. Once entered, the required keys will be generated automatically. Now, the second type is simulation configuration. After the sandbox setup, the next step is configuring the simulation environment. Now, the third one is production configuration. For this, the client must enter their own credentials manually. A complete user guide is available detailing where to find and input the necessary credentials. When the client purchases the extension, we will provide the user guide which will help them fill in all the required credentials. Once all the keys are generated, the system will be ready to use. Next, the clients needs to go to an order first. Simple, click on sales. If an order has already been placed and an invoice has been generated, they should navigate to the invoice. Simple, click on invoices. It took a moment. Simple, click on view. And now once on the invoice page, they need to generate the XML. Simple, click on generate Zatca XML button and check if it is properly generated without any errors. After verifying the XML, the client will send the invoice to Zatca. Simple, click on send invoice to Zatca button. The invoice will be sent to Zatca via API and a log will be created. The customer can also view the invoice details within the invoice itself. Go to the bottom and you can check whether the invoice has been synced or not. In this case, the invoice is synced. After this, they should check the Zatca logs. Simple, go to the Zatca logs. From here, simple click on Zatca logs. It took a moment. Here, the customer can verify whether the invoice has been successfully synced or not. If the synchronization fails, the customer can contact our support team for assistance or purchase support services. If the voice is successfully synced, everything is good to go. After this, the client can also check the Zatca states. Simple, go to the Zatca state, click on it. Now you can see our dashboard. The dashboard will show how many invoices have been successfully synced. Looking for a Zatca Phase 2 compliant e-invoicing solution for Magento 2? Stay compliant and stress-free with AALogics. Get it now from shop.aalogics.com and ensure your business meets Zatca Phase 2 regulations hassle-free.